Gavin doing some belly time. You think it's funny? Be gentle with him. Apparently he gave up and now he's just gonna sleep. You laying next to him? Gavin, you gave up on belly time? You're just gonna lay there? Oh, there we go. We got some movement. Careful. Hi, buddy. You just ate a minute ago. Yes, you like to eat all the time. If you could, you'd do every half an hour or so. Well, hello, Natalie. Can you say hi? Yeah, I know you like to touch the camera, but you don't need to. See, we're taping Gavin. He's not happy. Oh, he's talking. He's moving his feet pretty good. Yeah, good job. Good job, buddy. Yeah, see, it's not so bad. That's how you like to lay on Mom. You sleep like that every day. Almost all day. Whenever I let you. Yeah. Alright, you want me to let you up? Say bye-bye, Natalie. Give kisses. Go mwah.